Hi everybody, my name is Doug and today I'm going to be unboxing this mattress right here, the Affluent Rest mattress from Sweet Zzz. This mattress is a 12-inch thick, all foam mattress. More specifically, it has 3 layers, the top layer being gel memory foam, plus a quilted cover. As you can see by the flag, it's made in the USA. Queen size runs roughly about $1,000. Comes with free shipping directly to your home, compressed in a box, the box you see. And it has a 100-night risk-free in-home trial. Well, the only way for me to know if I'm going to like it is to sleep on it. And before I can do that, I got to take it out of the box. I'll take a brief mention that if you like this video or others like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Here we go. What do you think? Pretty typical mattress unboxing process. Always be careful when you unbox a mattress that you don't accidentally cut through the plastic and cut the fabric. That's why I cut the layers one at a time. It's had a lot of layers, I think 3 or 4, so that's good, keeps it vacuum sealed well. Like most mattresses, you can see it's not quite inflated yet, although it did pop up pretty well for an all-foam mattress. It's got some expansion to go. I'll allow at least 2 to 4 hours, but probably closer to a full day or a full night before I sleep on it. First impressions related to odor, there's a little bit, but not a lot. Not over the top. It'll probably dissipate within a day or so, I'm guessing. Just that new mattress smell. Initial laying down impressions. Well, it's got more inflation to go, so I can't really give you a comfort judgment yet. Definitely all foam. Somewhat of that kind of Tempur-Pedic memory foam feel. We'll see exactly how much that ends up being once it's fully inflated. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe or click the like button. Maybe even share this video. Check out my other videos as well. I'm going to sleep on this mattress. My intent is to sleep on it for 10 nights for my trial period, and then I'll come back with a complete review. Might have a couple other things that interest you in the meantime, so keep your eyes on my channel. Catch you later.